dun sa mga PDL, magkano ang allowance natin per person sa
Uh,
pagkain, meal allowance?
may PDL, we have 70 pesos. And that 70 pesos will be divided into 3 meals po, Mr. Chairman, Your Honor.
Yes, because 70 pesos per day, not per meal. So divided into 3, I think it's more than 23 pesos per meal. Do you think, sir, that's enough for...
Actually, Mr. Chairman, ito nga po yung palagi kong representation dito sa Congress and even another government office na we need to, sir, patasan pa ng dagdagan. Ang una po naming presentation nito is to 170 to 150, pero alam naman natin that the government funding is tightening their belt. So, ang proposal po namin to make it 100 pesos. 100 pesos po, maitas po yung kalidad ng kanilang pagkain para po dito. We need it very badly. Kasi po, tumataas po through inflation. We have 3.6, 3.8% inflation every year. And matagal-tagal na rin po itong 70 pesos. And we need also your support for this. Ito po yung kausa ng BJMP na madagdagan po yung pagkain ng aming pong mga persons deprived of liberty ng mga clientele po namin.